Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, in this video show you how to install Nginx on Ubuntu, so let's start the video. First, create a Ubuntu instance. Search EC2 and open. Click on Launch Instance. Give name to your instance. Select Ubuntu OS. Select only free tier eligible settings. Create a key pair. All done, simply click on Launch Instance. Just wait seconds. After running the instance, simply connect the instance. First, update the machine. Type this command sudo apt update and press enter. Type this second command sudo apt install Nginx and press enter. Type Y and press enter to give permission to install Nginx. Now you successfully installed Nginx on your Ubuntu.
I